Hi guys, so I'm Henry from Canon Photos on Instagram.
I'm Piers and I'm from Canon Photos, and we're here in Estonia to celebrate the Midsummer's Festival, doing it the Estonian way.